Friends, I am back today with some more Amazon Genius finds that you need to know about. Some home saving hacks, time saving hacks, energy saving, beauty saving. We've got all the good things in this video. I'm gonna have them numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar and comment section. And I will have a QR code for you to scan and shop these items directly if you are interested in that as well. This first product is a genius time saving and water saving hack. If you are someone who forgets to take things out of the freezer like I do, or you just don't want to have to wait that full time. So this is a 17-inch Thaw belt, so it will fit over pretty much any package of food that you have. You put food, or in my case, dog food, farmer's dog food, in your sink. You put the Thaw belt over it, and then you can fill your sink with water. And in so much less time than just it sitting out, which actually can be really bad for your food, you can get that dog food, your own meat, seafood, whatever, completely thawed and able to be cooked. Now this is made from a food grade silicone, and I actually showed it to you in my kitchen sink. When I use this, prefer to put it in our half bath sink because one, our kitchen sink is so big that when you fill it up with water, I'm like, this is so much water. It's honestly such a waste, but we have like a granite sink and it's very texturized. Nothing sticks to it. And even with this not being as sticky as it is in our half bath sink, it still keeps the food frozen in place. So it is not moving. That warm water is working at thawing that farmer's dog food like you are seeing in this video. And literally it used to take like a full day of this sitting out to thaw, which I hated. Again, that's like actually can be so bad for your food. And in like less than like 30 minutes, it had the dog's food completely thawed and they were able to eat it and they loved it. Now again, you literally just put this in your sink on top of your package, fill it with water, and that's it. It just keeps the package in place, which helps thaw it faster. But again, you're using less energy, less water than just like running it on top of something frozen. So very efficient. This at-home brow lamination kit I've talked to you guys a few times about. I think it's just a huge money saver. I love and respect what they do at salons, but to be honest, I just don't have the time to go and get my brows done. It is something that I love, but I can do it at home with this kit. And honestly, I have used a brow lamination kit at home and it was very strong smelling. It smelled like a perm, and that's exactly what it smelled like in the salon. This is a Korean brow lamination kit, so it's a lot better for sensitive skin and it doesn't have that harsh smell. But it actually says on the instructions, which are so easy and very beginner friendly, that if you don't like the results, you need to wait at minimum 2 weeks before trying again, because it's so powerful and works so well that for minimum 2 weeks, your brows are going to be permed. I am at about 3.5 weeks now, and I still don't think I have to do my brows again, but I do need to dye them again. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and redo them, but not because they necessarily need it. Hypoallergenic, non-irritating formula. It just saves money, it saves time, and honestly, getting ready in the morning, I just take a clear brow gel, and I'm done. Now this e.l.f. Hydrating Cleansing Balm I have shared before. This is like one of the best cleansing balms that I have found at this price point, right around $11. I wrote this down. So it's packed with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. So your skin is actually going to feel hydrated. And that's one of the reasons why I liked this, because you put it on and it's not only going to melt your makeup off, but it's really going to make your skin feel hydrated and not just completely stripped. You do want to make sure that you are using this when you are removing like your makeup or anything on your face, and then go in with a water-based cleanser after. Don't just use this. You're gonna want to make sure you do that second step. But as someone who loves makeup and wears it every day, I use makeup cleansing balm every single day, and this is again so good for $11. These Frownie facial patches, I not shut up about. And I always like see people in comment sections say, like when I see these on my For You page, they're like, I don't want to see someone in their 30s talking about these. I want to see someone who's in their 50s. And I'm like, no, now is the time. You don't put sunscreen on your body after you're sunburned. You put it on before you're sunburned to hopefully prevent that sunburn. These are kind of that same concept as SPF. You are going to put these on and it's actually going to help retrain your muscles in your face to relax. So you are going to use these no matter how old you are to train those muscles to relax and hopefully prevent those fine lines and wrinkles. And you can look on their website. They have so many pictures of people who have deep set in wrinkles that have used these long term, and it looks so amazing. The transformation is insane. But they do say that you need to use these for about 30 days before you decide to continue on, if you want to stick with them to get the best results. I personally felt like 7 days was more than enough for me to be like, yeah, I'm obsessed with these. But you're going to want to use these all over your forehead. So I used these, it was like early last year, just in my 11s. So I did kind of like the little upside down triangle, and I do feel like it worked. But once I looked into the nitty gritty of how this works, I was like, oh, it's retraining the muscle. So I need to use it all over. And once I started doing that, you guys, I have not gotten Dysport, Jeuveau, Botox, any of that since I think it was early May, okay? I am very expressive. When I was in my early 20s, I already had a set and fine line. Usually, when this stuff is fully eaten up, it is so obvious and like super just exaggerative. Yeah, no, not now, because I have been using these. I can tell that the muscles in my face are being reshaped, and my metabolism eats away at that stuff pretty quickly. So it is not just like, oh, I use SPF and I just don't have wrinkles, or oh, you're in your 30s, I don't want to hear it. You guys, I'm telling you, it does not matter what age you are. These are actually going to retrain the muscles to relax, and it is insane to watch. And I did write this down because I wanted to make sure that I got it kind of like right and explained it to you, because this is what was the kicker for me and why I felt like using them all over the forehead versus the 11s is important. So it uses unbleached craft paper with a vegetable-based adhesive. It's breathable, no bacteria will get trapped under. They have no silicone or latex, and they are great for sensitive skin. They have different styles depending on where your lines are. So forehead, between the eyes, crow's feet, smile lines, and around the lips. No harsh chemicals. And that was when I was like, what is it? Like, why is this working? And I went in, I looked at the research, and that's when I was like, oh, okay, so it acts as a cast. So I need to be using it all over. And that's when I felt like the best results happen. So again, early last year, you saw me using these just on my 11s. Don't do that. Use them all over your forehead for the best results. This Angry Mama microwave cleaner is the cutest little thing. So you basically fill it up partially with water and vinegar. It has little lines in it. It will tell you where to put them. You stick them in your microwave, set it on a timer, and then you actually will kind of see this like form a little steam and kind of like bubble over. And it is going to get all of that gunk in your microwave off. So you won't have to buy any cleaning supplies. You won't have to do any crazy scrubbing. You won't have to do any kind of sprays. It literally heats it and cleans it. You can even use like lemon juice, but I love the little like Angry Mama like hands on her hips, because I actually can reach in, pull out that little Angry Mama cleaner and go ahead and wipe everything down while it is still hot. I have ADHD, okay? I used to do this, but with just like a regular glass, and the glass was always so hot. So sometimes I'd be like, okay, I'll just wait till it's not hot and then I'll go pick it out, because I don't want to have to get on an oven mitt. It's like a whole separate thing. And this is just cute because you can actually use the little handles. And I don't know, I mean, it's just something fun. Like, I definitely have found that gamifying parenting makes my kids want to clean more. And this is something they're like completely infatuated with. So they will actually, I'll tell them like, I'm going to put the Angry Mama in the microwave, and then they'll argue over who gets to help clean out their microwave after it's done, because she's like just this cool little toy to them. So love that. This Medicube Jelly Cream Duo, literally the biggest hack ever, because you can customize your skincare just in 2 really affordable jars at home. So the hyaluronic acid has 10 different kinds of hyaluronic acid and can get up to like 120 hours of hydration to your skin. They both have ceramides, peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, niacinamide, and they are clinically tested and proven to cool the temperature of your skin down by 40 degrees. So if you are a red girl like I am, this is going to be so cooling and just zap that redness gone and make it go away with this cooling cream. So I actually have been doing the collagen cream kind of all over the outer parts of my face. So forehead, where I'm really focusing on that wrinkle reduction, eyes, you know, just anywhere in here. And then I take the hyaluronic one and I will put that really here. So I focus on the inner parts where I get a lot of oil, have a lot of that like redness, and I put it there, and it's just, again, kind of like customizing my skincare, not just overall to my face, but like to actual parts of my face and targeting what is most important there. And it has been a game changer. I've been doing that since like right around end of June, and I have noticed the biggest difference in how happy my skin looks since I've been doing that. I've been like really obsessed with glowy skin lately, and that was a huge reason. This professional jewelry cleaner, one of the reasons why I bought this was because I was super sick and tired of needing to buy a separate jewelry cleaning solution. And when I saw that this could clean your jewelry and you don't need a solution, just literally tap water, I was like, okay, let's see. I kept the box and everything. I was like, all right, yeah, sure. And I put my jewelry in there. It vibrates like 48,000 times per second. You will literally watch all of the gunk come off of your jewelry. You will pull it out and it is sparkly and shiny, like better than any toothbrush could ever get. I did write down though, so you can use this on silver, diamonds, watches, glasses, retainers, and watch bands. It does come with a little watch stand so that you can actually put it down kind of like over it so the battery itself of your watch isn't sitting on the bottom of it. But I kind of just like use that even for necklaces and bracelets just to make it a little bit easier to pull them out. But you will literally watch the gunk come off of this and all you need is tap water. The Fullstar Veggie Chopper I have mentioned a number of times to you, but I wanted to mention again because it actually has been redesigned since I bought mine. I have used mine almost every day, if not every other day, since we moved into this house 3 years ago. It's one of my favorite products. But one of you guys actually said forever ago, and I will never forget the thread of people that were like, me too, oh my gosh, I hate it. And I was like, wait, I've never dealt with this issue. You said it is not easy to clean. So what I was doing was taking the sprayer and like really going into all those little heads and attachments and really spraying it out and then throwing it in the dishwasher. And some of y'all were like, yeah, my sprayer is not that powerful. I just can't get it clean. They redesigned it to have a little button on the back that you can push, and all of that food will get pushed off of it before you stick it in the wash. So I feel like that was really important to know that they did listen to you guys, not just from my comment section, but just overall. And now it is redesigned and easier to clean. But this takes cutting your fruits and vegetables, cuts that time in like a third. I use mine all the time. I love the little container at the bottom to keep everything just condensed and clean. It's BPA free. It has a non-skid base and over 29,000 reviews on Amazon. This clip-on strainer is truly one of my husband's favorites because it's just quick and easy, but it's one of my favorites because it's small. This clip-on strainer honestly works with every single pot and pan in our kitchen. It is made with a food-safe silicone. It is BPA free, washes so easily, because it's actually dishwasher safe. It's safe up to like 230 degrees Fahrenheit. But you literally just clip this on the side of any pot or pan and then just very slowly tip it over, and you're not having to dirty up a whole colander every single time. So great for saving some storage space, just cleaning. I just like how small it is. Like I hate having it out that whole big thing every single time. This stone drying mat, every single time I share any vlog on TikTok, a million people are like, where did you get that stone drying mat? Where did you get that mat from? I need it. This thing is the best. It is actually a natural stone material, dries so quickly, but it also is heat resistant. So you could put this on your counter and use it for pots and pans if you pull them off the stove and want to set them out. But I use mine for drying our dishes. Just like as I pull everything out of the dishwasher, you know, there's some like water that's left over. I use this because it just absorbs so quickly and I don't have this like disgusting wet towel sitting on my counter. Now you can spot treat this. I did see you can put vinegar on it, but a heads up that red wine or coffee will stain it. And at this point, I do think I'm cursed because I have a tendency to either drop these and break them or get coffee on them. I don't know what it is. Why do I constantly spill coffee on these? It's because I'm always emptying the dishwasher when I have my coffee, but it does stain, so be careful. These athletic socks are a game changer if you go on nightly walks, but I will say they will spoil your feet. So they actually boosted the cotton content in these. So these are noticeably softer than any other workout sock, but they are moisture wicking, so they stay dry throughout your workout, but they do also have a little bit of arch support. They have a heel tab to prevent blisters, cushion soles, and also a mesh ventilation. These socks are truly made for like the girl who's always walking walking. And Sam was the one who got me on these. He was like, you need to be wearing special socks, because I was always complaining about blister. He was like, you need special socks. Like, you are putting so many miles on your feet, not just your shoes, your feet. And once I started using these, I noticed way less blisters. My feet were way more comfortable in the gym and when I was walking. And now whenever I put on another sock, I'm like, ew, this is really gritty. And sure enough, I'll get like a blister right away. So they're just a lot softer and really made for putting those miles on your feet. Oh, and I recommend just getting the white. I did get a multi-pack, which I mentioned to you guys forever ago, and I found myself always reaching for the white ones. So I finally just the other day bought 2 packs of the white, like I think it's 5 packs each. And now that's just like literally all I wear all the time. Finally, we have a fabric shaver. Now that I have gotten into my cashmere wearing era in the fall and winter last year, I really started taking how I care for all of those things very important. And I got one of these to make sure any little nick on my cashmere sweater was taken care of. But I also have a jute rug in my office. And the other day I was like, this just has a bunch of little picks on it from the cat. I wonder if that would work, and it did. So it is actually gentle enough to work on cashmere or strong enough to work on a jute rug, okay? This bad boy is powerful, it's rechargeable, you can put batteries in it if you wish to use it that way, and all you do is just pull off the back and dump it in the trash if you do use any kind of, if you do have it on any kind of cashmere sweater, it can kind of like get all those little picks and pills and stuff filled up pretty quickly. So I use this all the time, and it makes a huge, huge difference with sweaters or rugs. I will say I do go through these kind of quick. I am very cautious to make sure that the blades are as sharp as possible. And they do come with replacement blades, but just to make sure that I don't end up messing up a sweater, I do kind of change these out. So just something to note that you have to keep an eye on that blade. If it starts to either not being as, like it doesn't work as well, it's not as strong, or it might produce like a pick or something on your sweater, go ahead and take that one and throw it away. So for me, like the one I used on my jute rug the other day, I will never use on a cashmere sweater. So just something to note. But that is all the little genius finds that I have in my home. Again, some of them I have mentioned before, but they've redesigned them. And some of them I'm just genuinely falling in love with more and more as time goes. I love trying new products and sharing how things work. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on especially those frowny patches for the rest of the year. I'm super excited to see how much more it retrains the face, like the muscles in my face. But that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.